Let me show you how we can duplicate a page in Canva and what are the benefits of duplicating the page versus just simply adding a blank page. So by default, you got this plus new page at the bottom of your design when you can create a next page for it. But unfortunately, it will be just a blank page like that, and we need to recreate most of the styles, effects, texts, elements from the first page manually. So instead of doing that, sometimes it's just faster to go to the top instead of the bottom and click here, duplicate existing page, duplicate page, little icon. And now we got exact copy of the page 1 on page 2. So we got all of the elements, and it's way faster sometimes to get rid of the stuff we don't need for the second page, but we maintain all of those decorative elements, backdrops, fonts. We can just edit the text, and this way we can create 2 pages, but we just set up the style for the first one or set up the template for the first one, and then we remix that. So again, instead of just adding blank page like that, go with the duplicate. It may save you some time, and you will maintain the same style, fonts and colors across the document. Alright, I hope this little trick was helpful. See you in the next one.